Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Thursday, July 30th. So let's take a look at Microsoft. Microsoft is kind of leading the charge. The tech stocks higher today. We're up over 16%. That's Microsoft, 16%. Now, they had better than expected numbers with earnings, better than expected outlook, and again, a substantial move above the 200-day. See, we started the day, we're a little pull back a little bit to test the 200-day right around 433, and then we slingshotted higher past $450, currently at 455. Now, the next upside target is this price target right here. This is roughly 466. You've got a gravity line at 474, and then above that, a pivot high out of this channel right here from December of last year, and that high is 492, just a stone throws away there to 500. The level above that is 510. So what I would be looking for tomorrow is a push above today's high into this 466 area. Now, I think if you hit that, the market may consolidate a little bit before pushing higher. I think what would have to happen in order for you to move down, retest the 200-day, and maybe look to fill the gap is if the earnings reports from Apple or Amazon cause the market to turn sour and start to pull back. That might put a damper on Microsoft. But as of today, and if we get a good number or passing numbers from those two companies, I think the market will continue to be up and the money will flow into these kind of legacy tech stocks, and it will push higher, hitting the first, if not the second target in Microsoft. Okay? Thank you.